Hey guys, in our last video we explored area and point layers in map chart. So today we'll see density layers and chart layer. So I have this sample dataset along with the country, city, latitude, longitude and sales. I have this customer details. So with the help of this dataset, let's explore the map chart. So I have these three filters created. Let me pull the map chart. So let's go ahead and add a layer. I'll start with a density layer. So let me add a density. Let's go with city, which is going to be my location. So in the weight by, I'll add my measure metric, which is sales. So I'll call this as total sales. So we can tweak this radius size, right? And then I'll leave the color as such, sorting options, everything I'll leave it default. So we could see the density being plotted, right? So I mean, since it is sales, it may not make sense to much extent, but still we can see cities contributing more sales or less sales. It could be more meaningful if we plot temperature or humidity or something else, right? But this is the overall idea. So of any metric we get a gradient and we see it in as a density, right? So that's the overall idea of density layer. Let me delete this and let's add a chart layer. So I'll add my location. I'll go with city again, or probably we'll go with two layers. So I'll add my area layer. I'll select country. Okay, I'll just quickly color it as by dimension. So now I have my background ready. On top of that, I'll add a chart layer. So here I'll go with city as my location. So for every city, I'm going to show a simple visual, right? So let's say customer, okay? So I'll show the sales by each customer in every city. So this slice and measure is going to give me a mini visual in the map. So let me say average sales, okay? So location is city. I'm going with pie chart. So I'll decide the size of pie chart again based on my sales, which is my average sales. So we can control the size, right? Pie chart size, the minimum size and the maximum size. This is the range, but the ultimate size is going to be defined by this measure, okay? And color, I will leave it as such. Sorting, yeah. And in the appearance, I will disable this legend, okay? So now we could see the first layer, area layer. So that gives us a background for each country. On top of that, we have city, and every city is giving me a mini visual over there, which is nothing but see customer wise average sales. So this city has got only one customer contributing to it. So we see a single bubble, whereas here you see a mini pie chart. So here two customers are contributing, right? So let me see here. Yeah. So here we could see five customers and their corresponding sales and the percentage share contribution, right? So this is how um, chart layer works, and we can customize it as per our need. So with the help of area layer and chart layer, and we can slice on top of a particular dimension and a measure. And this is going to give us a mini visual within each point. So we can also change the visualization. icon actually. So instead of pi, I can also go with a bar chart, right? So but bar doesn't look good. I think pi looked better, but we do have that option. Or I can reduce this. Let's quickly visualize it. Yeah, so we do see mini bars, but I think pi look better compared to bar. Okay, so yes, this looks elegant. Okay, so hope we got basic understanding of density layer and chart layer. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.